Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered what's really happening when you see something rust, or when you cook an egg? These are chemical reactions, and they are happening all around us, and even inside us, every single second. But what does that actually mean at the super tiny, invisible level? Today, we're going to explore the fundamental question: how do atoms rearrange in a chemical reaction? It's like a cosmic dance where partners are constantly swapped. Let's start with the basics. Everything is made of atoms, which are like tiny building blocks. These atoms are held together by connections called chemical bonds. You can think of these bonds as the glue, or tiny hands, that hold atoms together to form molecules. A chemical reaction, at its core, is simply the process of breaking these old bonds and forming new ones. No atoms are ever created or destroyed, they are just shuffled around. Let's use a famous example: making water. We start with our ingredients, called reactants. These are hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. In their natural state, two hydrogen atoms are bonded together to make a hydrogen molecule, and two oxygen atoms are bonded together to make an oxygen molecule. To get them to react, we need to add a little push, which scientists call activation energy. This could be a small spark or some heat. This energy is the key. It shakes the molecules with enough force to break the bonds holding them together. Suddenly, the hydrogen atoms are free from each other, and the oxygen atoms are free from each other. Now we have a jumble of individual, unattached atoms. These free atoms are very unstable and want to find new partners immediately to become stable again. This is where the rearranging happens. A free oxygen atom will quickly grab two free hydrogen atoms, forming strong new bonds. This new combination is a water molecule, H2O. When these new, more stable bonds form, a lot of energy is released, which is why this particular reaction can be explosive. The most important rule in this entire process is that nothing is lost. If you start with 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms, you will end up with exactly 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. They are just arranged differently, now as 2 water molecules instead of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. It's like having a box of Lego bricks. You can take apart a model car and a model house, and using those exact same bricks, you can build a brand new spaceship. The number and color of bricks never changed, only their connections did. That, in a nutshell, is the beautiful and orderly process of how atoms rearrange in a chemical reaction. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this explanation helpful and want to see more science simplified, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Your support allows us to keep making more content like this for curious minds everywhere.